Okay, these were installed yesterday. 14.5 SEER Bryant air conditioners. This one's our upstairs, which is off right now. It's both 14.5 SEER. It's hooked up to a preferred series natural gas perfect heat, and it's the preferred series plus 85X. And this is hooked up to a preferred series plus 90X natural gas furnace. Very quiet. Would have rather had maybe a York or a train. And I'm trying to look and see what compressor they have. It looks like a Copeland series scroll. Copeland scroll. It's not the best. There's an intake for a high efficiency gas furnace. And very nice.